Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company, and today we have another prize for you. It's a 1976 Yamaha RD400C. It's got matching engine and frame numbers, and it's a UK example, fully restored. Tickets, as always, are £2.99. Get them on the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. And now we're going to show you how to start it. As you can see, the bike is cold. So the first thing we need to do is turn the ignition switch on here. Just one click to the right, make sure it's on run up here. We do have a choke lever which is on the carbs, which on this carb it needs to be down for on. Fuel tap is here, and we'll put that on reserve. Bit stiff. Okay, now we're just gonna see if it starts. So kick starts here. See, it's cold. Thank you for watching the video. Like I said, tickets are £2.99, and this competition will be drawn on the 21st of July. So good luck to everyone who enters.